Hey everyone, Keely here with Honda of Keene, here to talk to you about the 2020 Honda CR-V EX. The 2020 Honda CR-V EX gets a 190 horsepower inline 4-cylinder engine with their turbocharger. You get a continuously variable transmission with sport mode and idle stop, and you get up to 32 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, you get multi-reflector halogen headlights with auto on-off. You get 18-inch alloy wheels. You get smart entry with walkway auto lock and the remote engine starter. You get a one-touch power moonroof with the tilt feature, and you get up to over 75 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, you get a 7-inch audio display with a high-resolution electrostatic touchscreen, customizable feature settings, and a compass. You get Bluetooth hands-free link with streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You get a 100-watt audio system with 6 speakers. You get a 12-volt power outlet in the center console with a USB media and charge port. And you get over 102 inches of passenger space. You also get Honda sensing safety features in the 2020 Honda CR-V EX, and that gives you awesome tech like collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, and so much more. So if you're thinking about the 2020 CR-V, the EX might have everything you need, so come on down to Honda of Keene, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or get your sales process started completely online using Keene Quick Buy at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!